Let's start off with, sino kaya isitan? Babe number! Una ka naman, edi babe number 1, Dana Tindala! Congratulations! I'll see you again in the Fashion Show Grand Finals. Not bad for being your first time joining the pageant. Diba? Thank you. Don't forget the fashion show and the grand finals. Sino kaya sasama kay Dana? Si babe number? Babe number? 4, Ivone Kenya! In the center once again. Babe number 4, Ivone Kenya. See you again once again in the grand final. Joining Dana and Ivone is babe number 5, Beatrice Fontes, the bubbly girl. Congratulations. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa grand finals, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day po. Dahil may sasama pa po sa kanila. At siya ay si babe number 2 ay si Baral. Ay, hindi ka na ma-anxious. Sumama ka na kay babe number 3, Sandra Abusas. Move on to the grand finals. Babes, don't forget the grand finals will be on June 15th. Sana nandun yung lahat. Okay, eto na. Let's move on to our Hawks. Pagdating sa mga Hawks natin, ang unang papasok sa grand finals ay si Hawk number. So gamo, madami-dami din sila. Number 3, Charles Valencia. May narinig ako dito, tinawag niyo yung back number. Narinig ko din. Back number 4, Justoni Matic Automatic. See you again in the grand finals. Sa fashion show sa grand finals. Alright. Joining. Wala naglag na ka dito. Joining team for zone number. Swerte na to. Swerte ka nga. 8, Ares Perez. Hindi siya si Superman eh. Oh. May paki-smart. Magaling siya eh. Swerte na. Swerte. Alright. Joining. Just not in air. Say zone number. Number 1, Charles Rojas. Ito na yung medyo masakit pero masayang portion. I will be calling the last Hawk who will move on to the grand finals. For the other Hawks that will not be called, congratulations still. The Hawk who will move on to the grand finals is